All right, let's take a look now at going into a particular desktop, on a segmented network within Secret Server. We're going to go into an Azure desktop on a private network, and we're going to access that right now. So let's take a look. So coming in here, we're going to go to Win Desktop, go. You'll notice that we have a private IP address here, and that's important because we are not on that network at all. We're on a 192 network. So here we go. So we're going to come in here. I'm going to launch into my Open Remote Access. And then what we're going to do next here, the exciting part, is come in here and we're going to select a site. I'm going to click Azure in this case. So it's going to specify me back into the Azure network, and then we'll click Continue. Wait for it, and here we go. So here it comes. We're opening up a new tab here, as you notice at the top, and we're going to log right into the desktop. So the beauty of this is what you noticed is that what we can do here is we can put a desktop into an Azure data center, AWS, GCP, it doesn't matter. Put it on a segmented network, doesn't matter. We're going to put an engine on there, and then we're going to be able to reach that and then be able to connect to that desktop, so we can connect to Windows 10, Windows 11, and even if you did a Linux engine, you could even connect to a Linux desktop as well. So there's ways to do this on what I call the distributed desktop network. And so we're coming into these desktops via Secret Server, and we have all the full capability of audit and session recording, all the good stuff. So we can bring that all that data back to make sure everybody's doing what they need to be doing. But the beauty of it is, no longer do we have to use VPN to connect into, or TeamViewer, or any of those typical applications to network into and connect into our desktops. So wanted to show you that. And then, but wait, there's more. We can also overlay this with Privilege Manager, which I'll show that in another video later on. So thank you very much for watching, and have a great day.